All right. Welcome back to Learn Thai with Victor. Sorry that I'm late a bit. Yes. Okay, but still the same time, 8:30. Welcome everyone here. Yes. Today we're gonna learn about the telling story again. Continue from our previous class about the story of the shepherd boy and the wolf again. Okay, and also like every time I will just say that in just for like an intermediate class. For that, I will just say about the word in Thai and challenge someone that can you just listen to that and it is clear for you or not. You can say that in our comment and say hi, okay, that where are you from and what's your name. Also for everyone that still be the old fans from the Learn Thai with Victor, yes, I'm say hi to everyone. สวัสดีทุกคนครับ okay, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, I will open the presentation first. Okay, wait a moment รอสักครู่นะครับรอสักครู่ Okay, so for today, yeah, here we are for this one. So we will just continue about the part of the explanation about the half of the story, but for the Thai version of the listening class, I will say it the whole story again. Okay, ready? Yeah, let's go. มีเด็กเลี้ยงแกะคนหนึ่งคอยดูแลฝูงแกะ Yeah, the third sentence ใกล้ๆหมู่บ้าน Okay, next one. วันหนึ่งเขาเกิดเบื่อจึงร้องขึ้นเล่นๆว่าหมาป่ามาหมาป่ามาเพื่อเรียกให้ชาวบ้านออกมา Okay, next one. ชาวบ้านตกใจพวกเขารีบออกมาช่วยแต่ไม่พบหมาป่าพวกเขากลับไปด้วยความโกรธหลังจากนั้นสักพัก now it's here หลังจากนั้นสักพักเด็กเลี้ยงแกะตะโกนขอความช่วยเหลืออีกครั้งชาวบ้านก็มาช่วยอีกยังไงก็ตามพวกเขาก็ไม่เจออะไรนอกจากเด็กเลี้ยงแกะที่กำลังหัวเราะอยู่ Hi everyone that come here. This is Learn Thai with Victor, the shepherd boy and the wolf. Now I'm just in the listening part. Yeah, say hi to everyone here. Yeah, hello. Yeah, สวัสดีตอนเย็นครับ Good evening guys. นอกจากเด็กเลี้ยงแกะที่กำลังหัวเราะอยู่คราวนี้พวกเขากลับไปด้วยความโกรธ Okay, here is the listening part. So I just say that only in Thai version first, and then we will just explain about this in the explanation in English again. Okay, just a few moments. Just challenge yourself, be patient, and learn together. Okay, next one. โชคร้าย here you are here ที่หมาป่ามาจริงๆ and the next one เด็กชายตื่นตระหนกตะโกนด้วยความหวาดกลัวแต่ครั้งนี้ไม่มีใครออกมาช่วยเขาเลยนิทานเรื่องนี้สอนให้รู้ว่าไม่มีใครเชื่อคนโกหกแม้ว่าเขาจะพูดความจริง Alright everyone, now yeah, it's time for the part 2 of the story explanations. Here we go. So what do we have here? The sentence that we have from our previous class. So we'll have learned that the shepherd boy has lied, right? Shepherd boy is เด็กเลี้ยงแกะ So when you say about the word boy like that, the word เด็ก basically that means children or just like the word ลูก or ลูก yes in the plural now that you can say like that but the boy here when you say it's just like your employees the staff of somewhere okay so it's just like that for example the example is gas station boy yeah gas station boy by the word yes เด็กby the word the kids again เด็กปั๊มเด็กปั๊มเด็กปั๊ม you can say by the word like that so the word เด็ก here is like a suffix to explain that is like the employees of that company or that station okay good so the boy or we have say เด็กเลี้ยงแกะ yelled what is the word yelled in Thai is ตะโกนตะโกน okay wait a moment please okay here we are that's it the boy เด็กเลี้ยงแกะ like in the blue mark here and yelled it is ตะโกน can you say with me ตะโกนand next one the word เพื่อ this word for okay ขอความช่วยเหลือ is in the purple one is help when you say ช่วยด้วย that means help me you can say that if that is very useful okay ช่วยด้วย yeah can you say that with me ช่วยด้วย okay ช่วยด้วย yeah help me that is the translation of this word อีกครั้ง what does it mean อีกครั้ง that mean again okay from this dark blue and here we are about the grammar that I want to explain is about the word เพื่อ okay so the word เพื่อ basically means for but in Thai many of for that you can use so let's take a look first the word ให้ plus person okay word ให้ so when you give to someone for example ให้คุณวิกเตอร์ให้คุณวิกเตอร์ I give to Mr. Victor okay got it and the next one it is for the word next one is for also สำหรับ but this สำหรับ is the word that is have the word noun or adjective first so it is just like รถยนต์ for example it is car รถยนต์สำหรับคุณรถยนต์สำหรับคุณ so every time that have the word สำหรับ or this word for is supposed to be have the word of the noun or the adjective first every single time that you use the word สำหรับ but when you use the word give to some person okay ให้คุณปีเตอร์ give to the Mr. Peter ให้คุณ John Mr. John something for Mr. John like that okay and the last word yes of course for the word เพื่อ itself เพื่อ plus the word verb first so for example ทำเพื่อคุณ here we are ทำ is the verb that do something and plus the word เพื่อทำเพื่อคุณ so behind the word for in every single word the word ให้ the word สำหรับ and the word เพื่อ every single word the subject or the object I can say object is right behind it is after the word for okay if you say understand please say understand here in our comment if not yes you can say that also and the next one ชาวบ้านก็มาช่วยอีกwhat does it mean and the villagers came again to help okay so what is the word ชาวบ้านis mean villagers okay villagers so this is a very interesting suffix again ชาว not เช้า okay เช้า for the mid tone but เช้า can you say that เช้า rising tone that is mean morning เช้า ชาว is the word for the suffix of the group of people. So ชาวบ้าน is like a people who living in the house. Okay, a people who living in the house, it makes sense that it's villagers, right? So what is the word the child that we can use? Oh, I got one. So that is rice field. The rice field is na, right? Na, correct. Very good. Na, rice field. Okay, so combine together. Child first and then na. What does it mean? So that is farmer. You're correct. Okay, farmer. ชาวนา yes, exactly. So came that is ma, and again that mean ik. In Thai is ik. Okay, can you say that? Ik. เอา ik or อีกครั้ง that is the same. Okay, so the verb is in the front and plus the word อีก. For example, ช่วยอีก help more please. เอาอีก this word that you will heard this a lot in Thai language. เอาอีก 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 like we need more, want more, like that. Okay, so verb first and then the word followed by the word อีก. So when you want to say that เอาข้าวอีก เอาข้าวอีก ข้าว that is the word rice. So more rice please. Yeah, เอาข้าวอีก เอาอาหารอีก more food please. Next one, however, so it is ยังไงก็ตาม okay, can you say that? ยังไงก็ตาม Here you are. ยังไงก็ตาม okay, they found nothing. They found nothing. So that is the word ไม่เจอ found nothing. For nothing, that is word that you can follow by the basic rules of the negative word, that is ไม่ in front and เจอ that means found. To found something ไม่เจอ not found. So found nothing is the similar, right? อะไร that is mean what. But in this case, it depends on the context that ไม่เจออะไร not found what. It's like that. So it's not found nothing. Not found nothing. Okay, so the next one, but the laughing boy. So they found only the laughing boy. What is a laugh in Thai? It is in this mark of the blue one. หัวเราะ. Can you say that? หัวเราะ. Okay, laugh. But it is say laughing. So it's different, right? So when you say the word present continuous or the thing that you done right now, you can say by the word กำลัง okay, so it is the present continuous is just like กำลัง plus verbs and plus the word. Okay, กำลังหัวเราะอยู่ yeah, I'm laughing. กำลังหัวเราะอยู่ okay, so you can say by the word กำลัง only or you only, that's okay, or both, it is okay also. Next one, it is, for example, of the verb ing in Thai. For example, กำลังดูทีวีอยู่ กำลัง first and then followed by the word verbs ดู that mean to watch something. ทีวีอยู่ กำลังดูทีวีอยู่ next one, กำลังอาบน้ำ อาบน้ำ that mean take a shower, take a bath. Yeah, both of them, all of them, that mean the same for Thai. You have to add more word if you want to make it more specifically. Okay. กำลังอาบน้ำอยู่ กำลังอาบน้ำอยู่ You can call that to someone. Hey, sorry, I'm just take a bath. Yeah, bathing. This time, okay, the next word, sentence, sorry. This time, they went back with more anger. Now the villagers ชาวบ้าน has more anger, right? So คราวนี้พวกเขากลับไปด้วยความโกรธ กลับไป that is go back. So in this case, this is story, right? Went back กลับไป went back, the yellow one ด้วย that is with, and ความโกรธ it is anger. Okay, anger. โกรธ that is adjective here. More is กว่ามากกว่ามากกว่า yeah something like that next one yeah I want to explain something about the word ด้วย very useful because it is mean by or with for example when you say the word ด้วยกันthat mean together so but when you say the word ด้วย at the end of the sentence that mean too or also okay ผมโอเคผมชอบกินอาหารผมชอบกินอาหารไทยด้วยผมชอบกินอาหารไทยด้วย so that mean I like Thai food too ผมชอบกินอาหารไทยด้วย so at the end you can use the word ด้วย okay in the sentence and next one โชคร้าย that mean unfortunately the wolf had come หมาป่า that mean the wolf จริงๆ that is ความจริง from the word ความจริง that is the truth okay ความจริง so from the word จริง that mean true ความ that's put it like the suffix to make the word to become the topics okay remember that when the ความor การความ or การ plus the word จริง it will become topics or nouns okay just like that next word next sentence the boy panics okay เด็กชาย the boy ตื่นตระหนก panics ตื่นตระหนก okay shouting so it's the same like the word yell right so ตะโกน again okay ตะโกน like this ตะโกนด้วยความหวาดกลัว in terror so terror here this one terror หวาดกลัว this time but this time แต่ is but ครั้งนี้ is this time so it is like the word do you know the word that it is have the prefix that have the word นี้ and about the time and talking about the time yeah that's a lot so for example first one is วันนี้ that mean today okay today next one พรุ่งนี้ that mean tomorrow ตอนนี้ okay ตอนนี้ that mean right now next one if you say เดี๋ยวนี้ it is mean right now also because it come from the word เดี๋ยว wait from me yeah right now also ครั้งนี้ and คราวนี้ is the same meaning it is this time okay so it's a lot of the word that have the word this and is talking about timing particle no one come out to help him so this is the sentence at the end ไม่มีใครออกมา that is come out no one ไม่มีใครช่วยเขาเลย like the word here for the word no one for example no one is here ไม่มีใครอยู่ที่นี่ can you say with me ไม่มีใครอยู่ที่นี่ไม่มีme that means to have so when the word negative one is in front of the word me that means no have okay so no one because we're talking about the person okay and the last one is about moral of the story in Thai we say นิทานเรื่องนี้สอนให้รู้ว่านิทาน is story นิทาน เรื่องนี้เรื่องนี้ this is a classifier so this story this one just like that เรื่อง this is classifier of the story สอนให้รู้ว่าsee ให้ again to focus on something no one believes in liar ไม่มีใครเชื่อ believes คนโกหก the liar okay so when you say the prefix of the person the word คนthat mean person for the very first lesson for someone you will learn about คน right คน that mean person human okay For example, when you say about nationality, Korean, okay, Korean, คนเกาหลี คนเกาหลี or Thai, คนไทย yeah, คนไทย just like that. Okay, and the last one here, even though you can say แม้ว่า okay, he speaks the truth, ความจริง again. All right. Yes. Well, so that's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching. And if you would like to support Victor to make more video, I have a plan for just stop the telling story a bit because someone has told me in the private message that is too complicated. Yeah, sorry for that. So I will just make like a comparative for the just 2 words and let's have some exercise with that. I think that's more sounds good, right? So let's have some fun with that next week, okay? เจอกันอาทิตย์หน้านะครับ ขอบคุณครับที่รับชม Yeah, thank you for watching. And if you have any more question, yeah, feel free to ask, comment it, or just, yes, you can take a look for more Learn Thai with Victor Reels video and also the live stream previously. Okay. ขอบคุณมากครับ Thank you so much. Bye bye.